In this video we will try to superheat water with linearly polarized microwave exclusively from above using a linear polarizer and a metal basket. Here's the linear polarizer. Let's put it on top of the metal basket containing demineralized water in a glass bowl, just like the setup from previous video. Let's heat it for 2 minutes. Two minutes later. The polarizer becomes hot. But the water is not superheated yet. After 4 minutes of reheating, the water is still not superheated yet. Let's reheat it for another 2 minutes. But a few seconds later, burnt smell comes out from the oven. The smoke is seen coming out from the wooden frame. We can see that the wooden frame of the polarizer is burnt. Although this result is not really what we want, I decided to keep uploading it so everyone can be aware of the risk from cooking with wooden objects inside a microwave oven.